Fourth safety factor is never sacrifice good form to reach an area of your body, because contorting your body to work in one area is going to cause imbalances in other areas of your body, and this bad leverage can and over time will result in injury. The muscles are not designed for force production in awkward positions, and this can not only cause you muscle pain, but you can injure yourself. I want to give you a new and improved version of how to use a massage gun on yourself, the beginner's guide. We're going to go over basic features on how to use a massage gun for warm-up, how to use it for cool-down, all the safety things you need to know, which is more specifically how to reduce your chances of hurting yourself with a massage gun, no matter what type of massage gun you might have. Now, I know it's been slightly over a year since I made the first version of this video, and since then, the quality of how I make videos has gotten a lot better, and I understand some of you wanted a better quality version of that beginner's guide. So I'm making you a better version of that beginner's guide right now, which you are watching. Before we get into the whole video, let me get started by saying one thing. You're not replacing your massage therapist with a massage gun, because statistically, a massage gun is about 1/5, aka 20% of the quality of getting a treatment from a massage therapist. This is because in the world of massage therapy, we have 5 fundamental strokes from which all massage therapy comes from. Those 5 major strokes are effleurage, petrissage, friction, tapotement, and vibration. A massage gun will only really provide the value of vibration, so if you know how to use it properly, you'll get that full 20%. Think about what you learn with a massage gun as a supplement to a high quality massage treatment, and something that can help you between massage therapy sessions. Also, if you need a massage gun, I've done you the favor. I've left a link in the description so you can pick from any one of my top 3 favorite massage guns, because you're going to get the most value for your dollar if you buy one of my top 3 favorites. Without further ado, let's get started on the lesson for today's video. So let's start with talking about how to start up your massage gun, because while there might be different ways to turn on a massage gun, there is one common mistake that we should talk about, because that one common mistake always confuses the massage gun noob, and it confuses them right out of the box. So this is a very important thing to know. The first thing that you should know is that there are a large number of massage guns that have an on-off switch, as well as a separate button to start up your massage gun. What you have to do is, after finished charging, click that power on, and then you'll see that the massage gun will actually light up, and then from there you press the button and get the massage gun going. And then you can either hold it down to turn it off like that, or you can just click it on the bottom to turn it off like that. And this is a very important thing to know when trying to use your massage gun for the first time. Next, let's talk about what you need to know so you do not hurt yourself with a massage gun. But before we talk about that, if you're finding value in this video and enjoy the content that I make for you, then what I want you to do right now is firmly press down on that like button, show me your support. And once you're done watching this video, leave a comment. Tell me what you like most about this video. First thing to know about not hurting yourself with a massage gun is never use a massage gun on your joint. Every joint is weak in terms of stability, so using a force-producing machine like a massage gun can actually damage the joint and cause you personal injury. Reason being is that a massage gun provides percussive force, and this is a hammering force, and the hammering force will cause damage to anything that's not stable. This includes your spine, because your spine is a series of joints. Check out my How to Use a Massage Gun on Your Back for more about using a massage gun safely on your back. The second safety factor is do not use a massage gun directly on bones that are found just under the skin. I'm talking about areas like your shin or your skull, for example. Bones, they might seem strong, but they do not benefit from using a massage gun on them. In fact, too much exposure to the force of a massage gun could easily break your bones and send you to the emergency room. And the chances are even greater if you have osteoporosis or a candidate for osteoporosis, so don't use it on your bones. The third safety factor you need to know is never use a massage gun on your neck, your face, or your skull. This one should be very simple to understand after explaining the first 2 safety factors. Your head, neck, and face are made up of a series of joints with bones directly under the skin, and they also have something that's called endangerment zones, such as your eyeballs and your lymph nodes. You can't really be putting force on that, because those will get destroyed easily with percussive force. So keep the massage gun away from your neck and your face altogether. Fourth safety factor is never sacrifice good form to reach an area of your body, because contorting your body to work in one area is going to cause imbalances in other areas of your body, because you are twisting up your body and then you're exerting force. And this bad leverage can and over time will result in injury. The muscles are not designed for force production in awkward positions, and this can not only cause you muscle pain, but you can injure yourself. Let me just say that again one more time so it sinks into your noggin. Watch more in-depth massage gun videos on how to use a massage gun with proper form by elite healers, because we are the authority in massage guns. So now you know how to remain safe with massage gun, let's go over the basics on which attachments to use on which parts of your body. I'm going to go over this kind of quickly because I've already made a few videos talking about this, but I want to cover it since we're going over the basics and this is the video for beginners. But if you want to see more of that, go and click on the playlist that we have available. I'll make it appear after this video when we're done, or you can click one overhead if I'm really boring you right now. Now, with that being said, first is the flathead piece right here. Now, this is more of a standard version, but depending on the brand, you might get a variant or two along with this standard version of the flathead. These variants that you usually find will be, first off, a softer flathead piece or a piece that has or a piece that has nubs to it. The flathead pieces are great. They have a purpose, and let me tell you what it is. It's great for creating a wide area of contact and introducing the body slowly to the massage gun. The flathead attachments are my go-to for warming up an area of muscle when I'm using a massage gun when I find it appropriate in a massage therapy session. The flatheads are also great for larger muscles that have muscles deep to them, like the trapezius muscles. The flathead vibration goes deep into the muscle, and it also gets a wide area, wider than the thinner massage gun attachments. The ball head attachment. The ball head attachment is the softest attachment out of the entire massage gun kit. I've never seen a kit that has a firm or a hard massage gun ball. So I use this to provide gentle massage gun therapy to the entire body. Also, I use it if I don't know the comfort level of a person, but I feel like it's best to use a massage gun. I'll start conservative by using this head and a lower amplitude. This is great for working right over a knot on a trigger point that's in the muscle belly if you don't have a more precise tool like a bullet attachment, or if the person's sensitive. So those are some ideas of how to use it. I also like using this one in an area like the top of my glutes where you have the hip bone and the glutes meeting the lower back, or in between or on the two bellies in my calf muscle on either leg. The shovel attachment to a massage gun is one that's not always included in every massage gun kit. Sometimes they give you a variant of a flathead piece instead of this one. But when it comes in that kit, what I like to use the shovel piece for is to encourage the movement of blood to a local area. If I'm, for example, working the calves, hamstrings, or quads, or forearms, because those are usually furthest away from the heart, I like to use this particular piece in my stroking movements that head towards the direction of the heart. Doing this lightly is going to help assist the veins to bring blood back to the heart when using the massage gun lightly with that shovel attachment. The bullet piece. The bullet piece is around the size of an adult thumb and is really good for using it directly on a knot or a small area of muscle right after you've warmed that muscle up. I personally use the bullet piece when working on a precision area like my lower leg or even on my arms if I'm not using it directly on a knot or trigger point. But sometimes for precision, one of the things you want to do, especially with something like the bullet piece, is get that little area, that knot, like right between your fingers, and then have in the massage gun, of course, have that bullet piece just work on it, but you have your hand in a 90-degree angle just to make sure that you precisely strike the point that you want to strike. Finally, let's talk about the horseshoe piece. In my first video, I was a lot nicer because, in my honest opinion, this is one of the most useless pieces in the entire dang massage gun collection. Why? Because people naturally think that this particular piece is the one that you use right against your spine. But remember, with the spine being a series of joints, you could really hurt yourself when using this piece along the spine. And the worst possible outcomes of hurting yourself could be that you paralyze yourself or that you die because you paralyze yourself too high along your spine. Honestly, just throw your horseshoe piece out for your own safety and avoid the temptation of accidentally hurting yourself in the first place with that piece. Now let's go over the basics of how to use the massage gun as a warm-up tool and how to use it as a cool-down tool. Knowing this is the key to using your massage gun in a way that even someone who's at an adept or an intermediate level massage gun probably doesn't already know. The reason they don't know this is because this is one rule that's almost shared like a secret amongst massage therapists, how to use the vibration in that way. But it's not a secret, so I'm going to tell you right now, and the secret is total exposure time that you have the massage gun exposed to one particular muscle or area of the body. The rule is very simple. When you first expose a muscle to vibration, it's going to stimulate the local area. That means exposure is going to increase blood flow and stimulate the nervous system, which in turn gets the muscles ready to fire. This happens all within the first 15 seconds of exposure, so if you want to use a massage gun, all you need is light superficial passes over the area, lasting no more than a total of 15 seconds in each area. That's going to help you warm up and get ready for that lift or get ready for that big game. Check out my other more specific videos on how to use a massage gun in specific areas for warm up and cool down when you're done with this one. On the other hand, the longer you expose a part of your body to vibration, the more the nervous system accepts it and it begins to sedate. So over 30 seconds, the muscles begin to relax, and by the time 60 seconds hit, the muscle is going to be almost fully sedated. Exposure to this vibration is what causes the relaxation response, and it helps just take out all that tension. And if you know how to use the massage gun right for warmth and cool downs, you're going to seem quite magical to all those muggles that don't know how to use a massage gun. Alright, so the next thing I want to teach you about massage guns and how to use them is actually in the next video, which just appeared on your screen now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.